Hi everyone, this is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to share with you all tips and tricks of how to get traffic from Google to Redbubble store, your Redbubble designs to get more visits, to get more sales in Goggle. And first of all, you have to know that Redbubble has high domain authority on Google, so you can find Redbubble products show up on the first page on Google searches regarding any search queries about any home decor, about any apparel items like t-shirts, hoodies, tank tops, shower curtains, and so on. So how to get traffic from Google to your Redbubble store? There are two methods or two angles to do that. The first way is from Redbubble itself. The second way is by social media, especially Pinterest. So we can take them one by one, briefly and simply. The first method is by Redbubble itself. You have to optimize your Redbubble designs to search engines like Google and Bing and so on. And you can do that by using all keywords and sentences people are typing on Google, searching for a specific thing or a specific topic. Therefore, you can use all these keywords and these sentences people are searching for on Google on title, tags, and description of your design. Thus, you can make your design is a fully search engine optimized. And here a good question comes up: how to get all these keywords and sentences people are searching for a specific item or a specific topic? There are many ways. The first way, you can go to Google, okay, and you can type here any keyword, any search intent for specific apparel or specific product, okay, and Google gives you some suggestions regarding your keyword you have inserted in this search bar. For example, to be more clear, if you have a design about motivational quote, so you can type here a motivational quote t-shirt. Therefore, Google gives you many suggestions regarding this query, motivational quote t-shirt, for example, okay, and here you will find a lot of suggestions from Google. So you can use all these keywords as tags on your Redbubble design, and one of them as a main keyword on your title, like motivational quote t-shirts, motivational quotes t-shirts, okay, motivational quotes t-shirt, and so on, motivational quote t-shirt online, and so on and so forth. And that way gives your design more chances to be more optimized to Google, to show up higher on the search results and the first pages on Google, okay. So the first way is dependent on the Google suggestions. Second way, by using some Chrome extensions, free Chrome extensions that gives you the people also search for and frequently searched sentences regarding this topic, like this amazing Chrome extension keyword survey. As you see here, over 300,000 users, and this amazing Chrome extension Upper suggested from Neil Patel, okay, as you see, search engine optimization and the keyword discovery. So you can use all these tools for free. And for sure, I can't forget this amazing Chrome extension, Keywords Everywhere. Of course, Keywords Everywhere has a premium plan, okay, but you can use it for free. For example, okay, so we can type here this one, as you see, just search. And by the help of these free tools, after adding all these Chrome extensions on your Chrome browser, here you will find Uber Suggest gave you some suggestions and the most searched keywords and sentences regarding this keyword or this search intent. As you see, motivational quote t-shirt 2018, motivational quote t-shirt business, motivational quote t-shirt mermaid, motivational quote t-shirt design, and so on. As you see, a lot of keywords people are searching for about this motivational quote t-shirt, okay. And for example, for this one, related keywords from Keywords Everywhere, best t-shirt quotes ever, this amazing tag or amazing keyword that you can use in your Redbubble design, okay, to make your design fully optimized for search engines. Motivational quotes t-shirts online, quote t-shirts women, t-shirt quotes funny, amazing tags from Keyword Everywhere, as you see, for free. Meaningful t-shirt quotes, motivational quotes, motivational quotes t-shirts online, quote t-shirts women, t-shirt quotes attitude, amazing tags or keywords that gives you your design more probability to show up higher on search results and the first page on Google, okay, as you see. And a lot of long tail keywords, inspirational quotes for teachers, for shirts, motivational quotes, t-shirts, quotes to motivate you, amazing keywords and tags, okay. And for sure there are some paid tools, some premium tools that you can use, like keywordtool.io, keyword finder, story page, like this one. As you see, just insert your main keyword and gives you all searches, all main keywords people are searching for regarding this main keyword. So you can type here this one and gives you with a search volume, okay. And if you want to get all these premium tools like keywordtool.io, keyword finder, story page, and much more, like in a bundle just for a few bucks, so you can use this amazing website. It's called seoshop.com, and for sure I have talked about this amazing website previously in a video. You'll find this video below in the first comment, okay. So after get all keywords and get all sentences people are searching for about any apparel or about any topic, so you can use them, like one of them in a title of your design and the rest as tags on your Redbubble design. And of course you can repeat some keywords in a coordinated form on your description, okay. Thus you make your design fully optimized to Google search engine, okay. So the first method today is from Redbubble itself and optimize your designs properly. Second method is from social media, especially Pinterest. So why Pinterest in particular? Because Pinterest has space like Redbubble design, and you can add some details about your designs like title, description, keywords or hashtags, and so on, unlike Instagram and Twitter and Facebook. So you can use Pinterest like Redbubble platform for adding keywords and tags people are searching for on Google regarding your apparel or regarding your home decor. So you can use one of these keywords on the title of your Pinterest bin and the rest as keywords in your bin description. Besides, Pinterest has a high domain authority to show up your designs higher on search results in the first page on Google, okay. And for sure, to know how to promote your Redbubble designs properly and professionally on Pinterest, you will find these videos below in the first comment. And thus in video you have known how to get more traffic from Google directly to your Redbubble. Just you can directly from Redbubble itself and indirectly by using social media, especially Pinterest, as I said before. So from now on, keep going to optimize your designs in Redbubble itself and on Pinterest to get more traffic, to get more visits and more sales, and God willing. And to that end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.